So Emma's making us a coffee, cappuccino, and Ben's got a Vimto cold drink. So I've been doing a lot of work on the van the last week. I've built the frames, obviously not put shelves in, cupboard doors yet on the kitchen unit, got the worktop on, that's not going to be the permanent cooker. Carpet the walls, the ceiling not quite finished, so I need to put some lights in, but that's sort of end cabinet, just got a few finishing touches to do to that. Put some shelving in, need to put a cupboard door on, and probably another shelf about halfway. The bed's in, floor's not down yet. I'm just sort of testing everything out just to make sure the setup's right. So the bed is like a single seater, but then this whole bit pulls right out. I don't know if I can show you. It sort of goes into a double. Oh, I didn't chuck that bit of wood there. No, Emma's messing it all up. Emma's pulling it to the side, not straight out. But it does pull straight out to a double bed.
Yep.
When done correctly. All that wall's carpeted. Got to put the M piece on here. I'm also going to build another cupboard up to about here with a lift up lid, just for a bit more storage. But again, just trying the layout out first before I stick the vinyl flooring down, and do something with this step as well. What else have I done? Sort of carpeted these edge bits across here. I need to do these bits, put the trim pieces in once I've got the lights and I've wired it all in. The leisure battery is going to go under there. I'm also going to put another bit of wood all across the bottom, and then there'll be cupboard doors that fold down, so there'll be loads of storage under the beds. What else have I done? Oh, there was a leak at the front of the windscreen at the top. This old roof lining was soaking wet, so I've took it all off, sealed all the window, re-carpeted this roof lining as well, so it all sort of matches all the way through now. I tinted the window, but that went badly wrong. There's loads of bubbles and stuff in it, so I'm going to have another go at doing that, probably on a hot day, because we did it when it was pretty cold and wet and stuff. The tailgate I've carpeted, put a new board on, carpeted the back of that because that was missing. What else have I done? Oh, changed the front indicators, put clear ones on, got rid of the orange ones, so it looks a bit better now. Definitely better with the clear ones on. Apart from that, that's about it at the minute. Changed the coolant. Just gonna get a side window put on. Been quoted 150 quid for a brand new window fitted, which I've been too bad. So that should set it off a bit. But yeah, setup is pretty much there at the minute. Just a few finishing touches.